Are you feeling stuck and unsure of how to move forward? Do you feel like you're not living up to your full potential? It's time to push yourself. It's easy to get comfortable in our routines and to let fear hold us back from taking risks and pursuing our dreams. But the only way to truly succeed and reach our goals is to push ourselves out of our comfort zone and take that first step towards making a change. I know it can be scary, but trust me, the reward is worth it. Imagine how proud and accomplished you'll feel when you finally achieve what you've been working towards. So don't let fear or self-doubt hold you back any longer. It's time to push yourself and go after what you want. Believe in yourself and your abilities. You have the strength and determination to make your dreams a reality. Take that first step and don't look back. You got this. Yes, you got this.